Therapeutic areas. This short video will show you how to find information by therapeutic area, which includes information on treatments, interactions, advice, and when to refer guidance. You can either use the search bar or click on the Therapeutic Areas tab. Select an area you want to find out about from the list. For example, oral analgesics in the analgesics section. On this page, you will find an overview of oral analgesics, along with treatment options and other advice including when to refer. You can jump to a specific section by using the links in the content box. For example, if you want to navigate straight to the drug interactions information, simply click on Drug Interaction. You can navigate to other therapeutic areas by using the list on the left of the page. For example, if you want to look at sleeping aids, simply select it from the list. If you want to look at the products within a category, click on the Products tab. Here you'll find an alphabetical list of products containing useful information such as strength, pack size, dosage, pip codes, and more. You can use the index to jump to different therapeutic areas or products, starting with that index letter.